So my mother was recently back in my hometown of Warren, Connecticut. Small town in northwest Connecticut. Excuse me. And while she was there, she was visiting with an old friend of the family's and a guy that's lived in Warren for many years. And so is his family, you know. Well, this guy by the name of Dan, his family barn was, I think, torn down. I don't really know the whole story. But Dan managed to salvage some wood. And he also is a woodworker also, and he apparently had some spare wood from his barn. So my mother shipped it out to me, and I'm gonna open the box right now. Sorry, sawdust, my nose, Jesus. I'm gonna open the box up right now. Supposedly it's Chestnut Barnwood. Well, let's have a look, right? So by the way, this barn, this house, when I was 18 years old, I rolled my truck onto its side on the way to work. That's not how I became in a wheelchair. That's a story for another day. But this house means a lot to me because I pass by this barn all the time in this house. It was right on our main street, main road. We're in Winter Town, so I know exactly where this wood came from. A stack of gorgeous old wood. There's more. We got this big old piece here. God, it smells. I just love wood. I just love lumber, I really do. Damn. Smells like Warren. And then one more piece here. Okay, now the question is, what do I make with this? You know, I mean, I can't wait to run a piece of this through the planer and see how this cleans up. Jesus, it's gorgeous. But what do I make? You know, the town of Warren did a lot for me. You know, I mean, my childhood aside, growing up there was great. I really, really, really loved my childhood. I wouldn't change it for the world. Small country town, you know, and then after I was injured, in my town hosted a walkathon to raise money for me, and then also the fire department, the ambulance, you know, I was injured. So I don't know, maybe part of my pay it forward series, I do something for them. I could make something with this. I'm always open to suggestions, so leave some suggestions in the comments. And I'm also open to more lumber. If you want to send me some lumber, hey, I always need more lumber, right? But thanks again, Dan. I'm gonna put this to good use, and then also send along. Hold that right there. Dan was also kind enough to send along this weather station from his barn. This was hanging up in his family barn for years. He told my mother he wanted to send me a big piece of wood. Well, I don't have the heart to cut this up and make something. I'm gonna hang this in my home shop. It's a little piece of Warren right here in Arizona, right? A little piece of my hometown gonna hang right here in my shop. So thanks, Dan. Means a lot. Love y'all.